Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of The Outfit.
We are again in the Blue Mountains National Park this weekend. We have just parked last night to Govetts Leap lookout to camp, and this morning we're doing the Pulpit Rock track.
Yes, we're going to carry on along the ridgeline behind us for a little while, and then we'll probably ticky on back to the truck for lunch and see what the weather's doing. It's a little bit blustery today.
Very windy, like 50 to 60k wind apparently.
Yeah, so that might be a little bit annoying. So hopefully it dies off later on. And last night was pretty full on. It was a proper thunderstorm, so it rained on us all night long, which was not in the forecast.
As usual.
As per usual, yeah. So yeah, enjoy.
So this is another lookout of this spectacular valley. In the distance we can see Pulpit Rock, and just here on the left side at the bottom we've got the Horseshoe Falls, which go all the way down. We can't even see where it reaches.
A rainbow coming out of the waterfall. Windy but beautiful.
Still on the Pulpit Rock track. Chris trying to catch lizards.
And we're heading to the nipple. That is cool. Good spot for the night. Alright, let's carry on. Pretty cool, eh, Ange? Yeah, it's just a little leisurely stroll to Pulpit Rock. Super nice.
first time since we've been camping that we've been eating at the same time and cooking at the same time. That's such a game changer.
It's nice.
Yeah, you made like a new kitchenette that we will introduce you tomorrow. And since then, yeah, we were able to do that, so it's really good. It looks really delicious. So my dinner is like a tofu, black bean, corn, tomato, spinach, and avocado, of course. Kind of like a chili con carne version. My version. I know it's more of a traditional one. What about you?
Mine's more of a legit chili con carne, but the only difference is I've actually tried, for the first time ever, vegan mince, which was a little bit more expensive than normal beef mince, but I eat so much meat. Like almost every single meal has to have meat in it, so I thought I'd give this a crack, and it actually turned out really good. I like it.
So now we're just gonna enjoy our dinner and just chill for the rest of the night.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Just filmed a beautiful sunrise.
Yeah, a bit cold, but at least not as windy as yesterday. It's gonna be a bit more still for that hike to the waterfalls, so that's gonna be nice.
Yeah, it should be a cool little hike.
So last night we didn't get to do much. We didn't film anything. There's a total fire ban in the Blue Mountains at the moment, so we just chilled a bit and just went to bed quite early. So now we're nice and fresh for the day. Okay, so we're ready to go for the hike. So we're going to the base of the Bridal Veil Falls and up to the Junction Rock. So according to the sun, it should take us around 2.5 hours. Probably faster than that.
Pretty cool. Back in biology in high school, we studied a carnivorous plant. It was New Zealand's only carnivorous plant called Drosera. And it looks like these are the exact same type of carnivorous plant. It's got like a sticky residue that it traps flies and any kinds of insects, probably with its smell. Pretty neat that all of these walls are just covered in it because it's super wet and kind of cold here. Pretty neat. So we just made it to Bridal Veil Falls, super beautiful hike.
Yeah, it's super nice. We only saw just one forerunner on the way. So compared to another hike in the Blue Mountains like Govetts Falls, for example, where it would be packed with tourists, this one is so much better. Okay, so we just finished the hike and we're back at the top and we found a cool spot for lunch.
Yeah, so hike was awesome today. Next week we are off to Indonesia for 3 weeks and we should hopefully be able to film a few videos, so that'll be pretty cool. Then we'll be back in New South Wales after that. We are now going to film a little walk around of the kitchen in the back, and that'll be a separate video we'll chuck up shortly. Cheers for tuning in.
Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Okay, I've got a problem. I appreciate the height of the car. So to get in the good hip mobility, good handle. Ta-da!
Into the beast.
Off we go!